Extreme Dimensions is one of the premier exterior styling manufacturers in the industry, and we strive to set the standard in customer support. We want to show you exactly what to expect when ordering your new Duraflex, Carbon Creations, Couture, and Aerofunction parts. In this video, we'll demonstrate for you what to look for when receiving your new exterior styling products. When receiving your shipment, verify that you received all of the parts listed on your packing slip. Visually inspect all of the parts you receive and verify that there isn't any damage. Never assume that because the box is in good condition, that the parts inside are also undamaged. You may notice some minor scuffs and discoloration on the parts as you inspect them for damage. Don't be alarmed if you find this. It's a normal part of the shipping process and will not affect the part's finished appearance. If you discover any damage or missing parts, you will need to write damaged or shortage on the delivery bill before you sign, and immediately contact the company that you ordered from. Failure to note these issues on the delivery bill will result in a rejected claim. After receiving your parts, you'll want to take them to a body shop with experience in aftermarket exterior styling products. Even general collision shops with many years in business may not have the necessary experience to properly work with aftermarket fiberglass, carbon fiber, or polyurethane products. We do not recommend you install aftermarket styling products yourself. Before your professional installer begins any work on your exterior styling products, it's important that they first test fit them on the vehicle. Parts cannot be returned after they've been altered in any way, so it's important that your installer not skip this step. One thing you may notice is inconsistent gaps between your factory OEM parts and the aftermarket products. Since all of our products are hand-laid and because every car is unique, some minor adjusting may be necessary. In situations like these, the part can still be installed and quickly finished by an experienced installer using some minor sanding, trimming, or filling. Once proper fitting of the part is complete, we recommend block sanding, filling, and reprimering to ensure the smoothest surface possible prior to painting. When installing a hood or trunk on your vehicle, there are also certain areas that your professional installer will need to pay attention to. For example, there are numerous adjustment areas on a vehicle to correct inconsistent gaps around the hood or trunk. Adjustments to latching mechanisms and hinges may be required in order to ensure proper fitment. We also strongly recommend that you use correctly installed hood pins with any aftermarket hood. If your professional installer follows our instructions and still encounters issues with the installation, please contact the company that you purchased from. Begin by taking detailed photographs of all the issues that your installer encountered. Then be sure to have your correct sales order number available. Following these simple steps will better help us resolve any problems you may have. At Extreme Dimensions, we strive to provide you with the high-quality exterior styling parts that you need to make your vehicle second to none. We want to make sure you're happy with your parts and your purchase.